Hi, hello everyone. Thanks for coming to this video. In this video, I will show you the every process of drawing Deku from My Hero Academia. So first of all, we're gonna draw Deku's face line. The very basic way to draw face line is that use some shape. For the first, I would draw the vertical trapezoid. And then for chin, you would draw vertical triangle, and for head, half circle. This is a very basic shape of a manga character's face. You will use a reference from comic or even from manga. You would identify how Degu's face looks like. Like Degu's ear is pretty much lowest place of his face, like this. If it's possible, you wanna create ears shape at the same time. And Degu's chin is more like short, like this. It's so simple. Degu's face is something like this. So you wanna draw the nose. Degu's nose is right at the center of the face. And then after writing nose, you wanna identify which area Degu's eyes goes. My recommendation is first you will draw the guideline like this. Degu has kind of square shaped eyes, so I will make square shaped as well. If you are right-handed, my recommendation is draw from left eye so that you can draw right side of eyes while seeing left eye so that you can have better balance. And he has cute mouth like this. So far, it's been super simple. So from now, I wanna draw Degu's hair. Deg got a huge hairstyle, so for the first, I will outline. Simply, I will just create the guideline how much Degu's hair goes ahead of his head. Make sure where is Degu's forehead. It's like this, so you wanna draw his bangs. When I draw character's hair, I have some of reference. Like this one, you can see the flow of the hair really deeply, and also colored one, and also this black and screen tone one. Yeah, I hope it helps. Deg has a super curly hair. It's super cute, so I don't wanna its characteristics. It's just, how can I say, sparkly hair? Hi, Do you enjoy this video? For just a minute, please let me introduce the hands-on activity named Sakura Sketch Japan, in which I offer. At Sakura Sketch Japan, you will get use real manga artist tools and enjoy a manga-style illustration lesson. Even you are a beginner for drawing illustration, don't worry, I am a professional illustrator and I will support you. After the illustration session, we will have a Japanese cooking experience. You will make sushi rolls with ingredients of your choice and hand-wrapping gyoza, enjoying freshly made Japanese home-cooked food. All of those experiences would take place in this Japanese-style room in my house, allowing you to fully immerse in this Japanese culture. I would be so happy if you will make your way to come and visit in this business Sakura Sketch Japan. By the way, I have Instagram account. I will be so happy if you will follow me on Instagram as well. I'd like to draw Deku's outfit. So now I'd like to move to inking process. This is called G-pen. So I will use this G-pen for this process. But first, I'd like to draw Deku's, I don't know, maybe a face line, and then drawing hair. Maybe drawing hair first. After drawing Deku's bangs and some areas of hair that covers ears and face lines, I will draw face lines, a little bit thin lines, a little bit thinner lines than other lines with hairs. Eyes. A huge smile on his face. Okay, now I'd like to finish by filling black in Deku's hair and other areas. This is brush pen, and make sure which part you're gonna fill black by adding some shadows in Deku's hair, like this. see if it works for him. Now I finished drawing. What do you think? The screen tone is so mess, and my table and onto the tatami mat is also super mess. I hope this process would help you to practice how to draw Boku no Hero Academia's art. This is about it today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget subscribe me. I will post videos like this, so I hope you would visit my channel again. So thank you so much. Bye.